How to back up iPhone. Backing up your iPhone is a smart way to protect your data in case your iPhone gets lost, damaged, or upgraded. So here is how to do so. First of all, the most easiest way is to go to the Settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the settings, tap on your Apple ID name at the top and navigate to your Apple ID settings. Now, once inside the Apple ID settings, scroll down and tap on the iCloud option available in there. Once inside the iCloud, tap on the iCloud backup option available there. Then, once you tap on the iCloud backup, if the iCloud backup is turned on, then you can tap on the backup now option available at the bottom. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi and plugged into power for larger backups. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.